Elton John and High Flying Bird.
You wore a little cross of gold around your neck. I saw it as you flew between my reasons, like a raven in the nighttime when you left. I wear a chain around my wrist that bears no name. You touched it and you wore it, and you kept it in your pillow all the same. My high flying bird has flown from out my arms. I thought myself her keeper. She thought I meant her harm. She thought I was the archer, a weatherman of words. But I could never shoot down my high flying bird. The white walls of your dressing room are stained and scarred and red. You bled the cold snow like a young man in the foreign fields of death. Oh, wouldn't it be wonderful is all I heard you say. You never close your eyes at night and learn to love daylight. Oh, instead you moved away. My high flying bird has flown from out my arms. I thought myself her keeper. She thought I meant her harm. She thought I was the archer, a weatherman of words. But I could never shoot down my high flying bird that's flown from out my arms. I thought myself her keeper. She thought I meant her harm. She thought I was the archer, a weatherman of worth. But I could never shoot down my high flying bird. My high flying bird.